Hello folks, HTC's glory days of Android smartphones may be well behind it, with other manufacturers stepping out to fill the void. Nevertheless, the Taiwanese manufacturer still occasionally churns out new phones, albeit at a glacially slow pace. The desired U23 Pro arrived last year and failed to make an impact, despite being packaged with marketing buzzwords like the first metaverse smartphone. Just a month ahead of that model's first anniversary, HTC teased the launch of yet another metaverse-focused phone. A set of leaked images now offers a closer look at this upcoming mid-tier device, reportedly named the HTC U23 Pro 5G, along with a smattering of details on the phone's hardware specs. These images come courtesy of the Chinese publication ptt.cc, which claims that both the back panel and the frame of the U23 Pro 5G will be made from plastic. Not particularly shocking since this is a mid-range phone. There could still be some decent upgrades over the desire though, such as the move to an AMOLED screen. Images of the U23 Pro 5G running the AIDA54 utility tool reveal it will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset with at least 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage space. While it may not be a true flagship, the 7 Gen 1 is a very good chipset, and this phone seems like HTC wants to make a comeback. The primary rear camera should be a 108MP unit with optical image stabilization, but there's no word on the other sensors. A punch-hole selfie camera is located on the front of the device. The version shown here bears the model number 2QC9100, though leaker Abhishek Yadav has unearthed two more. Yadav also claims the phone will run Android 13 out of the box. A 3.5mm headphone jack is positioned on the top, with a SIM slot sitting right next to the USB-C charging port. There's also said to be a 4600mAh battery, complete with wireless charging support. Since the desired U23 Pro broke cover in June last year, it's not a stretch to assume that HTC could be thinking about a similar release timeframe for the U23 Pro 5G in 2023. By all accounts, this seems to be an engineering unit in the very early stages of development, so anything regarding pricing or availability would be pure speculation at this point. Hopefully, the U23 Pro eventually comes to market. It's hard to get too excited about a phone that likely won't be accessible to a large part of the world. Still, we can't help but feel that twinge of HTC nostalgia, and hopefully this model still manages to attract a little attention, at least in the markets where it's going to be available. Either way, this looks like a pretty generic mid-range phone rather than a device born from the same company that gave us the HTC One series. It still looks like an upgrade over the company's Desire phones though, so we hope there's even more to the handsome than meets the eye. In any case, even this set of specs hasn't been seen on HTC phones for 300 years. Let's see if the HTC U23 Pro, which is expected to debut in Taiwan in June, can become a significant contender in the mid-range smartphone market. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, good luck to all.